What's up everybody, Simon here. In this video of tech visibility, of course, we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing and review. And this time we have the Skullcandy Vinyl. I love the packaging on this. It has like a vinyl record. Some of you guys may not even know what this is. This is important stuff to where music was great. All right, so this is the Skullcandy Vinyl. The Skullcandy Vinyl is a very affordable earbud. Now these are going for under $20. These are $19.99. We're gonna see if they're worth your money. 20 bucks. I mean, that's like 2 burritos. So 2 burritos, and you could get these guys to just starve. And let's see if these true wireless earbuds are really good. A lot of people are using that term, true wireless earbuds. It's getting a little out of hand. It's like that pro term where everyone's throwing out pro, yet nothing pro about that product exists. So anyway, let's unbox this. Let's review it. Love the packaging color. It looks like good packaging to me. I don't feel a vinyl record or anything like that here, but we'll see how these sound and if they are better than the recent review I did on the Skullcandy Dime, which was about $22. So those were great. They lacked a little bit of bass in my opinion, and the vinyl hopefully has better bass. Let's see how they fit in the ear. Now before I do, the biggest favor you could do for me and for our channel is to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy this type of content, and always share our videos. Also check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. Let's get into it. Woo. All right, here we go. Skullcandy Vinyl. Of course, I'm going to use my sharp knife to open this up and open up the packaging like so. And it looks like it's on this side. You see that? They tricked me. I thought this was the front, but they put it in a different way, okay? Pretty clean. I like this packaging, to be honest with you. It's just clean and simple. I don't know, something about it I like. There's not much going on. There is a little insert in here as well. This insert is thick. I mean, it's like a flyer. So this is the 3 items that they include with this packaging, and it looks like it's in 2 different languages. So we remove it from the packaging, remove the earbuds, put them in the charging case, etc. Bluetooth pair of these guys. That's pretty much it. Now, power on is a simple press and hold for 2 seconds. Power off is a 4-second hold. Track back, press and hold for 2 seconds. Volume up, press twice. Play, press once. And pause is the same thing. And then answer the call is a press once like everything else. Activate assistant, you press 3 times for Siri. Clear and reset, you hold both for 10 seconds if something happens. Now the right earbud is the same thing, but you're gonna go track forward instead of track back, and then you press twice for volume up. So pretty neat. Remember, if you have one of these in instead of 2, you could go ahead and ask Siri to do your volume and so forth. So I'm gonna pop them out. Let's pop them in the ear as well. They're pretty light. There's not much more in the packaging because everything's included here. You get a USB to USB mini and 2 different sizes in the little brochure, but we're not going to look into that. There's not much there for the unboxing that people are going to be happy about. So these are it. There's a left and right indicator on here, as you could see. Pretty neat overall. You know, I like the color. Let's see how they fit. I'm going to go ahead, pop them in my ear and let you guys know. All right. So they're not fitting too well for my ear or my liking, to be honest with you. I'm just trying to get them in there. You get decent fitting, but I'm not impressed. For some reason, these type of earbuds, when they kind of weigh down, they don't fit well in my ear. You really got to jam them in there. I feel like I'm jamming a Q-tip, but they don't look that bad. Let me know in the comments below if they look pretty decent. Okay, so now let's see how the packaging looks. So there is a indicator. Look at that magnet. Oh man, I love doing this. I don't know why. I'm like the only guy that does this. To try to get a twirl. Yeah, back the other way. Yep. Okay, anyway, too much playing. So there is a charging indicator here. The case matches the tips. How cute is that? The case matched the tips. Cute. I bet if all your friends were around, they'd say, oh my God, that's so cute. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. So they do pop in. They snap pretty well. The charging is pretty good on them. Again, left and right indicator inside the case as well. The case is pretty clean. I do like the design. In terms of size on the case, it's like a little cooler. Here's the second generation AirPod, which I've been using a lot for comparison. You guys have probably felt it at Apple stores, etc. That's their case. So in comparison, the AirPod is a lot taller. This one is wider, but not by much. You know, overall, definitely a bigger case, but it's 20 bucks. So can't complain, right? Now the indicator, we got to go ahead and charge these up, pair them up, and let's see them. I am going to go ahead and pop these back in. They're saying power on, they're waiting to pair. All right, there we go, we're in. I got my case, it says vinyl on top. I'm gonna go ahead and pair these up. Okay, so I got them paired. I'm gonna go ahead and listen to a rap song. I'm gonna see if the bass on these is a little bit better than Dime that I've tested here recently and did a review on. The Dime, again, by Skullcandy, is about $22. These are going for $19.99 via the link below. They're up to 50% off right now. Before I get into listening, these get 4 hours of earbuds time, just like the Dime, but the case gets an additional 2 hours for a total of 14 versus 12 that you get on the Skullcandy Dime. These also have Bluetooth 5.0 as the Skullcandy Dime. These are water resistant. They're isolating noise ready with the rubber tips, which are pretty neat. I do hear a little bit of noise cancellation. Again, a lot of the tips are what cancels the noise. It's like an earplug in your ear. And then some of these other earbuds offer noise canceling with microphones throughout. These don't have that. These are water resistant as well, but not to the levels that you see today with some of the top earbuds. Anyway, I got them in. They look great. They feel great. There is noise canceling happening just from these ear tips alone. Let's play a rap song.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing that cake out. Smoke it up.
The bass, I would say, is actually a little bit better on these than the Dimes for me personally. Their mids are pretty good. I do hear a lot of clarity, but it doesn't feel like it immerses me in sound. Now again, I have to be realistic. These are $20, guys. Where else can you get a $20 earbud that's gonna blow your mind away? So you get what you pay for with these. Are these the best earbuds for $20? So far, I think they are. I'm liking these for the quality that they offer. I wouldn't use them as my dailies because I've been spoiled to better earbuds, but if you're looking for something around $20, these are pretty good. I don't know about them staying in my ear while I work out, and I haven't tested the full 4 hours of battery life. Typically, I usually see that not to be accurate, so they may be a little bit less in terms of battery life, but overall, they're pretty good, and I find them pretty good with bass. Now, I am going to go ahead and do a test phone call to see how a phone call sounds and give you that impression. So I'm going to go ahead and dial right now to our office and see if I could speak to someone in the office as well.
Tech Visibility, how can I help you?
Hey Yuri, what's up?
Hey Simon.
I am testing now the Skullcandy vinyls. How do I sound?
Yeah, you sound good. You sound good.
You could hear me clearly.
Nice
Now, I don't like this because it doesn't have transparency mode, and I am a call snob, I guess. So I sound nasally and muffled, and you know, I feel like I'm talking to you on the phone with 2 earplugs in.
Yeah.
But you sound okay, and these are doing the job, so I guess they're pretty good.
Yeah.
Anyway, I appreciate you picking up.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Talk later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So these Skullcandy vinyls are not meant for calls, but if you're going to listen to audiobooks or music, the Skullcandy vinyl is actually a pretty good earbud for the price. Okay, so that was my review on the Skullcandy vinyl. They are pretty good for the price. I do like them for $20. I do recommend them for $20 for listening to music and potentially listening to audiobooks. I don't recommend them for phone calls. They have better bass for $20 than the previous model. So I will go ahead and say that these are probably the best $20 you could get right now. I like the packaging. I like the presentation. The color theme is pretty nice to me. The lid is pretty good. They are actually pretty decent for the price. It's not too big of a case either, and they weigh pretty light, so they're around the same weight of around 45 or so grams as the AirPods. Pretty good design, pretty solid. Not my top choice, but for $20, if you're just getting in the earbuds game, these are excellent, and I will recommend them for that price point. Okay, so if you want something more and you got more money, I would definitely get something with noise canceling, active noise canceling, transparency mode, etc. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Skullcandy Vinyl. If you did, please do us a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. As always, I appreciate it. Don't forget to check out techvisibility.com. Thanks for watching. Earbuds are the thing nowadays, and I am giving you guys all the reviews. Take it easy.